Do you know how to solve an inequality by using multiplication and division? Let's take a look at how to do this. Negative 5x is greater than 20. To solve this problem, we're going to use the inverse of multiplication, which is division. And we're going to divide both sides by negative 5. Negative 5 divided by negative 5 cancels, bring down the x. X is greater than 20 divided by 5, which is 4. So what this means is that any value that we take that is greater than 4, if we substitute that in for x, it will make this inequality a true statement. Here's another one. 7y is less than 49. Again, we're going to divide both sides by 7, use the inverse of multiplication. 7 divided by 7 cancels. Y is less than 7. Any value that we substitute into this inequality that is less than 7 will make it a true statement. Here's one that uses division. X divided by 2 is greater than or equal to negative 5. Let's use the inverse of division, multiplication, and multiply both sides by 2. These cancel. X is greater than or equal to negative 5 times 2, which is negative 10. This is the solution to this inequality. Here's another one. X divided by 4 is less than 3. Again, we use the inverse of division, which is multiplication. Multiply both sides by 4. These cancel. X is less than 12. Any value less than 12 can be substituted into this inequality, and it will make it a true statement. Sometimes you can also have one that uses a fraction. Let's take a look at one of those examples. 4/5 x is less than or equal to 20. Now, this fraction has multiplication with the x, but we want to get x alone. So what we're going to do is multiply by the reciprocal of the fraction. We're going to multiply by 5/4. And we're going to do that on this side and on this side. These cancel, bring down the x. X is less than or equal to 20 times 5, which is 100, over 4. 4 goes into 100. 25 times. So the solution for this inequality is any value that is less than or equal to 25, because x is less than or equal to 25. Now let's look at another one with a decimal. 2.4x is greater than or equal to 14.4. We're going to use the inverse of multiplication and divide both sides by 2.4. These cancel, bring down the x. X is greater than or equal to 14.4 divided by 2.4 is 6. X is greater than or equal to 6. This is the solution for this inequality.